On today's adventure, we are making shepherd's pie. We're not Irish or anything. He might be.
I am.
He's Irish.
I am.
She's Irish. Okay, I'm a little bit Irish too. I'll see you guys while we're cutting stuff up. Woohoo!
Oh my. You've done good. That's amazing.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent.
Recipe was found on Facebook, and I got 1 thumbs up.
Ugh.
And we will see here the second thumbs up or
Yummers.
down. Yes.
Yummers.
Perfecto.
Take mostly meat and cheese right now.
That's how you do it. Meat and cheese.
Well,
Okay.
it's so bad that I think I'm going to have to go back for a second bowl to get another opinion.
That's 2 thumbs up. We'll see what I think here. All right. Well, so far we have 2 thumbs up on the shepherd's pie. Mash looks good. Meat, veggies look phenomenal. I feel like we may have a winner here, but you know what you have to do? You have to take a bite. So we'll get a little bit of everything in here. There we go. Bottoms up. Oh, I hate to say this, but we got 3 thumbs up here. This is phenomenal. This is something I need to keep in my my repertoire to make at home because it's very simple to make. Excuse me. It's fairly inexpensive. I don't know. I don't know if you guys around the world see the grocery prices in America. I know you guys are getting screwed too. But it's fairly simple to make, fairly inexpensive to make, and it is a hearty winter meal. Very delicious. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.